Geese honk in groups so they can stick together. United in flight with their great honking sound. Geese fly together and together they're strong. Cars honk because they're cars.
Cars create traffic, and here's what they say: honk, honk, I'm coming, get out of my way.
When dangers lurk and threaten harm, we lean on our horns and sound the alarm.
Now some cars are minis, some SUVs. They all honk their horns to say, watch out for me. Trumpets consider, because they're trumpets, and trumpets consider it their duty to transform noise into true beauty.
When trumpets play in groups, as you can see, honking together makes harmony.
Trumpets make fierce. Trumpets make fierce, thrilling, glorious sounds. Yes! And life is more exciting when the trumpets are around. Yes! We honk because we're human.
In times of feeling afraid and alone, we chase the dark clouds with our comrade trombone.
We honk together, we're glad we've met. We resist silence with our comrade clarinet.
When the media lulls us with its relentless hum, we wake up the world with our brother drum.
When the world is in trouble, stupidity full blown, we sound the alarm with our sister saxophone. And pleasures at hand, we honk and we honk with our fellow street bands.